So why would you pay for multiple different AI tools, spending hundreds of dollars when you can basically use all in one? And this is Pollo AI. This is basically for video and image. And most people are using AI specifically for images and videos. And why I like this tool is because here you can see these are all the AI video generators, AI image generators that are basically available in this platform on this website. You can see Midjourney, DALL-E, GPT-4o, GPT-5, Imagen, Flux, Stable Diffusion. For video, we have Kling AI, Runway, Vidu AI, Pika AI, VO3, and Midjourney video as well. So this tool is really, really insane, and I will show you all the updates and all the best effects that it has and everything that you can do with Pollo AI. And first of all, when we go on their Twitter website, Twitter profile, you can see that they are basically coming with new updates almost weekly, every month for sure. And here you can see different things that they are doing for their own Pollo AI model, which is insane as well. So I will show you everything that it can do. So the first thing we will do, we will edit my image, and then we will create a video from that image. So first I basically uploaded my image, and here you can see you can basically choose different models. You can edit images with Midjourney, Flux, DevLora, Stable Diffusion. I will use their own Pollo image because it is insane. So the first image is basically right here. So crows flying all around and orange tree growing. So that's basically what I already created. You write prompt here, then you choose how many images you want to create, and one image costs 4 credits, which is really cheap. So this is the first image it created with the basically Pollo image 1.6, and you can see how good it looks. It looks like it's inside the image. Maybe crows are not that great, but still you can basically not see that it is fake. But the tree is looking awesome. It looks like specifically for this image. So that's that. The second thing what you can do, you can basically find these pre-made effects. You can basically create a Ghibli AI generator. You can make yourself fat. You can make yourself look like in Simpsons cartoon, like AI baby. So these are the most populars on the above. Many people are using these baby filters and then making videos. So this is insane as well. So I basically use this AI fat filter, and here you can see what it came up with. So here is me drinking juice, being fat. And I like how it basically kept everything perfectly. Basically the shirt looks the same as you can see here. I have this bag, and the fat guy has the bag as well. So really, really great. The next effect, basically the most popular effect right now, is a selfie with a celebrity. So what you have to do, you upload your own image, and then you can upload, for example, some celebrity. And I basically uploaded Eminem and me, and here you can see Eminem's basically taking a selfie with me. My face is not looking as realistic because this is image. You can see the face is far out and it's quite blurry, but still the Pollo AI did a great job. And what we can do what we can do more with this Pollo AI is here you can see AI tools. You can change clothes, you can remove backgrounds, AI product, photo generator, image enhancer, upscaler. So if your image looks blurry, you can just upscale, and if it look sharp, you can see unblur images, denoise. So if your images are noisy because it is dark, you can remove the basically noise. So there are so many tools, and again, there is no such platform that basically offers so many tools and all the VO3, basically all the video image generators in one platform. And for example, if you want to be inspired and find some ideas, just go to inspiration, and you will see different images, different videos created by other users that are trending. Here you can see these look insane. So again, you can find inspiration. You don't have to think for yourself. And these videos are looking ultra realistic. The AI right now is insane. One of their new updates is basically this Flux Dev LoRa. You can basically create different styles of images with quite easy. You can just choose the templates. So for example, let's choose buildings, line architecture, and let's, for example, write barn, and let's create image, and it will basically create image for only 2 credits on the spot, really fast, in this style, which is line architecture. Here you can see it is generating. It will be generating for a few seconds, maybe 1 minute max. Here you can see the image is created, just barn in line architecture style. Looks insane. I didn't prompt anything. I just chose the style I want to create it in, and it created a barn in this basically style. So insane. Next thing I want to show you. Here you can see, first of all, you can save 50% by choosing yearly. I am on 27 euros a month. It's like $29 for the Pro. And this is insane because if you want to use Midjourney, you want to use ChatGPT, all these other platforms, you will have to pay $100 at least. And this is all in one. You can just use it for free as well. Here you can see 10 credits, up to 1 video, up to 10 images. So you can just try it. If you don't like it, don't buy. But if you like it, you can just choose the Pro plan. Another thing is that every day you can check in and claim 2 credits. So you can even use this platform for free and just use this check-in. Also, you can ask it to remind you, and it will basically give you notifications in your computer. So let's check in, and I automatically get 2 extra credits. And here you can see you will get a gift, maybe more credits after 7 days. So again, this is totally free. If you want to pay and use all the best models, here you can see all the models that you can use and how many credits, how many videos a month you can make. But you can try it for free. So if you want to try it free, do it. And one more thing I want to show you is, for example, you can use this. This was on easy mode. You can also choose this canvas mode. So let's for example, use image to video, or let's choose image to image first. So let's upload my image. So let's generate a new image. So for example, Ferrari in the background, crocodile and crocodile. So let's create one new image, and I will show you how these canvas work. So first of all, here you can see it is generating, and the image will show much bigger, much larger, and I will show you all the new updates that you can do with this image on the canvas mode. So here you can see the Ferrari and the crocodile is in the background. Now what you can do with this image is, here I basically selected, you can in-paint, you can basically paint different things inside this video. You can upscale it 2 times up to 8 times so it looks much better. So let's upscale it 2 times. So here you can see the image is upscaled. If I basically slide this thing to the right, you can see how much more crisp is the image. So next thing you can do is, for example, you can uncrop. You can basically, this is expand. You can, here you can see, as in this little video, I can add stuff and make the image basically look bigger without looking fake, because this is actually a really great tool. You can also remove background. Here you can see the video example. You can change your background to anything you want. You can crop your image in different aspect ratio. So this is basically canvas mode. It is basically there's canvas mode and easy mode, but this canvas mode is easy as well. So let's make some videos. So image to video. Let's upload this fat me, and choose the 16:9 because we will be creating a VO3 video. You can also create different Kling AI, which is great as well. Seedance, we do Runway, Luma. So look how many video generators are there, which is insane. So let's use Google VO3 Fast. This will, of course, basically spend 170 credits, but the video will be more fun. And let's create, for example, lion appears from right and the guy gets scared. He screams, please don't bite. Generate audio, of course, and let's generate the audio. So here you can see it basically created a little window where it will be creating. And as we all know, VO3 is basically generating for around 3 to 5 minutes. So let's see what the VO3 will come up with. So the video is ready. Let's listen how it sounds.
Please don't bite me.
So you saw that it basically talked.
Please don't bite me.
In the first seconds. So the voice is not in the place, but sometimes VO3 just does this. Overall, the line looks realistic. The whole video looks funny as well, and that's basically what you can do. The next thing you can do, you can basically add sound effects. Here you can see you can basically add new sound effects. For VO3, you don't need that. You can upscale the video. So the video, if it's 1080p, you can upscale it to, I think, 2K or 4K. Video to video, you can basically change your video to a different, so for example, Disney Pixar, cute anime V3, classic anime, modern anime. There are different effects. So here you can see all the effects. You can even choose pixel art, classic anime. So let's, for example, generate a classic anime video using my VO3 video. Let's see how it does. It will take me around 5 minutes. So the video is ready. Let's see how it looks.
Please don't bite me.
So as you can see, the video looks quite nice. Still, AI has basically a lot of work to do to make it look even more legit. Because here you can see it looks quite a little bit weird, but still you can do stuff with Pollo AI. You would have to pay hundreds of dollars to use all these tools, but this is in one place. That's why, in my opinion, that's only $29 a month. And yeah, these are basically the latest updates. I will update you on this tool when something new comes out, maybe next month. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.